Hello everyone, this is Arnadevi Chalagulla and welcome to Moon Clan. Thank you so much for everyone that tried to watch and support me in my first video, and that give me so much of courage to go on and make more videos, and thank you so much and I'm very grateful. So I have decided to make another video of lookbook. The next occasion I could reach is Halloween. It gives you so much of freedom to just take it to another level, and that is what Halloween is all about. Scary, screaming, over the top makeup and over the top looks, whatnot. So I have decided to make most of this Halloween. So when it comes to work, I'm pretty old school, so I write down what I want and the options that I'm gonna choose. I'm really excited towards making this video, but I'm not gonna go as far as getting into the costume and all, but I'm gonna try most of it. So let's get started. I have prepped my skin with a decent amount of serum. So the first is primer. I'm choosing Color Bar one because it's matte. I'm taking a very good amount of it. We are done with primer. Usually I go for concealer, but today I'm gonna go for foundation. Then we'll go for concealer because I need my skin to be pale. So I'm gonna be taking Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. It's in color 4 medium beige. So I have damped my sponge. It's pretty different when you use a normal sponge to a damp sponge because it gives more coverage. Oh, it's pale. It's completely different color, I know, and that's what we need. Can you see how different it is from my skin color? I'm trying to make it as pale as possible. Yeah. Okay, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 40. As I have told you, I'm being a bit aggressive, but calm down, take it slow and try to dab that in slow pressures. But as you know, I'm too impatient for that, and I am trying to make it absorb into the foundation. So this is the baking banana powder. I tried to make it as pale as possible. Now is the time for contour. It's the Color Bar Contour and Highlighter palette. This is Halloween and I want more of a hollow cheeks rather than the chubby ones. I know, I love it, you love it. But we need to cut them down. Wait, not literally. just with the contour. Okay, usually this is the area that I go for contour because of the hollows that gives, but I'm gonna go for the highest area of the cheekbone. So we are going on with the Hoola bronzer. It's time for the eyes, and first I'm gonna prep my eyes with Beauty Bay nude palette. I'm gonna cover my entire eye with Delicate. As we have covered our eye, I'm gonna take Sugar Plum from Beauty Bay Bright palette. Not on the lower crease but on the upper crease. I'm gonna make a line following my lid line. And I'm dragging it out. As you can see, I have dragged it down to my nose, and it's gonna work as the shadow itself. And I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna drag it to the hairline as well. Finger is always a good blender, you know. It works better than most of the brushes and I love it for some reason. And we are not gonna leave it subtle, but we are gonna make it as dark as possible. So the next one is gonna be the Red from the Bright palette. We are gonna form the right line into the crease and blend it upwards. And now I'm dragging it out. Remember, I have blended it outwards, not into the inner crease. Now I'm gonna take the Conspiracy palette. I'm gonna use Not a Fact. I'm gonna take just a bit, blend it into the outer corner. The look is more about like vampire. I'm gonna fill the actual lid with the black color and then I'm gonna press it with a shadow. Now let's take some Kohl Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm gonna go with a black color from the Conspiracy palette and my rides here. It's okay if it gets messy. Now let me do the other eye and I'll get back to you. So I'm done with the other eye. We're gonna fill the lower lash line with same Vermeil's Candle Eyes. So we're done with the eyes, and if there are any finishing touches, I'll do it later. For this part, I'm taking the same contour brush. I'm just like my 9 to 5. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Now it's time for lips. I want them dark. I have smudged a bit of lipstick so it resembles that blend. So we are gonna go for mascara. I'm really naturally scared about mascara. Getting it without transferring up or down is a pure art. If you can do that, you are an artist. Be proud of yourself. Oh God. I'm very scared. I'm very, very scared. Reaching the inner corner is a battle and the struggle is real. Oh my God. I don't think I am satisfied with the lipstick. I want it a bit dark. L'Oreal Color Rich Matte 215 Flaming Kiss. You guys, I'm such a huge fan of Twilight. That's the first time I have come across the concept of vampires. Yes, I am that kid that doesn't give a shit about anything, that just plays. So that is the first time I have seen the vampires, and I fell in love with Bella. And I have watched Twilight like many times. I'm gonna go back to the Beauty Bay Bright Palette Sugar Plum. I'm trying to sweep it under the eye, but not on cheeks. I'll try to make some veins to take it to the next level. We're gonna take some deep purple. By the way, the shade I'm using for making the veins is Drama Queen. Yeah. As the whole look has been about purple, I'm gonna add a bit of purple to my lipstick. So that's about it. So this is the look, and I hope it helped you out. And if you want to rock this Halloween, you can just do this and it's gonna look awesome. So for the Halloween, you can make this sexy vampire look. You can creep them out and seduce at the same time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love me the same. And I would really appreciate if you want to come back and support me. You can just hit like, share or subscribe, or you can follow me on Instagram because I just started it. It's new, and if you follow me, that would be really great. See you next time with something more exciting.